Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for the disassembly and reassembly of your Dyson V14. First, unplug your Dyson V14 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to expose the internal components. Be cautious during this step, as there are delicate wires connected to the trigger mechanism. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you assess the situation before proceeding. Now, with the handle open, locate the trigger assembly. You will see a small clip holding the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry the clip away from the trigger. This will allow you to remove the old trigger. If you encounter any resistance, take your time and ensure you are not forcing any components. With the old trigger removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new trigger with the assembly and press it into place until you hear a click, indicating it is securely fitted. Ensure that the trigger moves freely and is not obstructed by any other components. Before reassembling the handle, it's a good idea to clean the internal parts of the vacuum. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your Dyson V14. If you prefer, we can assist with collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to keep your vacuum in top condition. Now carefully reattach the handle by aligning it back together. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could damage the plastic. If you're unsure about the repair process, remember that we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. Once the screws are in place, give the handle a gentle tug to ensure everything is secure. Finally, plug your Dyson V14 back in and test the new trigger to confirm it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. By following these steps, you should now have successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson V14. This simple repair can extend the life of your vacuum and improve its performance. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.